Cradle-to-cradle manufacturing is a design approach that emphasizes creating products with the end of their life cycle in mind, aiming for materials to be reused rather than discarded. Unlike the traditional cradle-to-grave model that typically results in waste, cradle-to-cradle focuses on continuous cycles of use and reuse, much like nature's cycles. By leveraging information technology, industries can plan and monitor these cycles more effectively, ensuring that materials retain their value and minimize environmental harm. A specific example of cradle-to-cradle manufacturing is in electronics. Companies can design smartphones with modular components that are easy to disassemble. IT systems help track these components throughout their life cycle, ensuring they can be refurbished or replaced instead of discarded. Not only does this reduce electronic waste, but it also allows valuable materials like rare earth metals to be recovered and reused multiple times. This reduces the demand for mining activities that are both resource and energy intensive. By connecting to other ideas, cradle-to-cradle manufacturing aligns with the goals of a circular economy, emphasizes biodiversity conservation, and works in harmony with renewable energy technologies. A circular economy shifts the focus from consumption to regeneration, ensuring that every step in a product's life cycle is justified in terms of planetary well-being. Respecting biodiversity means considering how product design affects various ecosystems and non-human species, ensuring minimal environmental disruption. And by incorporating renewable energy sources within these manufacturing processes, energy use can become more sustainable and reflect a commitment to decreasing reliance on fossil fuels. The business aspects of cradle-to-cradle manufacturing show promise in changing traditional production economics. One innovative example is a carpet company that transformed its business model. Instead of selling carpets outright, the company leases them, retaining ownership. This shifts the focus from product sales to ongoing customer relationships and material recovery. With IT systems, the company tracks each carpet tile, optimizing reuse and recycling when a lease ends. This approach helps reduce resource extraction while maintaining company revenue through leasing. This manufacturing approach links directly with eco-friendly business strategies, product lifecycle management, and sustainable supply chain management. By using digital platforms, companies can gain insights into material flows and enhance resource efficiency. Businesses that employ cradle-to-cradle principles also advance competitive differentiation by showcasing eco-responsibility, meeting rising consumer expectations for sustainable products. Finally, IT enhances transparency and accountability within supply chains, fostering trust and aligning with global standards for environmental and social governance.